Hello, today I'm in Volkswagen Beetle. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable auto lights. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side behind the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. As you can see on this panel we can enable not only auto but also position, lights, deep beam and rear anti-fog lights. In order to enable and disable auto lights, you have to simply switch this knob to middle position or to zero position to disable it. If you take a look at the instrument cluster, after switching nothing changes. If you switch to deep beam, now the instrument cluster brightness is changing. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.